Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dawn with Candy Cane Ridge. Today is the day for our introduction to our 2026 Holly Jolly Mystery Quilt Along. If you want to find out more, stick around. Our 2026 Holly Jolly Mystery Quilt Along will be 9 blocks, and each block is going to finish at 12 inches by 12 inches. Now, you can follow along with us. Each block I will release each month on the fourth Sunday of the month. I will do a video walking you through step by step how to make each of these blocks. So for you beginners out there, this is perfect for you. I'm going to show you how to do half square triangles, corner square triangles, and flying geese, and we're going to piece our blocks. That is the extent of it. So we've got 9 blocks. Month number 10, which I believe is going to be November, we're going to put it together. So you will have a couple of weeks before Christmas to get it quilted. Finishes at a 50 by 50. So hopefully you can quilt it on your home sewing machine if that's all you have. And this is going to be so much fun. So I have everything on our blog post. So if you stay to the end, I'm going to put a QR code that you can scan with your telephone if you're watching on your TV. Everything will be in the description below. But if your television's like mine, it's not that easy to find the description below. So I'm going to try to make it easy, put you a QR code, hold your phone up there, scan it, send it to the printer, walla balla bing, there's everything you need. So stick around until the end, and I'm going to give you the QR code where you can find all the information. If you are leaving now, I will see you February 22nd. If you want to, I'm going to switch cameras and show you what fabrics I have chosen to use in our Quilt Along. Okay, so here is what I have picked out for my fabrics. Now, some of you that have been with me for any length of time, you may have heard me talk about, I was a member for a long time to the Lori Holt Fat Quarter Club through the Fat Quarter Shop. Well, I went through all my fabrics, and some of these are Christmas, some of these are fall, some of these are just, I like them. They're reds and greens. To me, that's Christmas colors. So this is what I've picked out. I may change my mind halfway through. I don't know. But I'm going to be sewing along right along with you. As you're making yours, I'm going to be making mine. So I have chosen 5 green fat quarters and 6 red fat quarters. And then for the background fabric, I have some cream colored fabric. For the background fabric, you're going to need 1 3/4 yards. But you know what, y'all? Go ahead and, if you're going to buy it, go ahead and buy 2 yards. You don't want to have to stress over, do I have enough? Oops, what if I make a mistake? And if you're a beginner, buy 2 yards and start building up your scrap stash. That's the whole point of this quilt. We're using up our scraps and whatever fabrics that you like. This is your quilt. You do you. If you don't want to do Christmas, don't do Christmas. But it's always Christmas here at Candy Cane Ridge. So this is what I have chosen as my fabrics that I plan on using. And again, I may change my mind. If I do, I'll let you know. Once you choose your fabric, let us know. There will be a post over in our social media, Facebook, Instagram. Share with us a picture of what you are choosing to use for your fabrics. All right, if you have stuck with me to the very end, I'm fixing to put up the QR code. Go ahead and scan it. Remember, like and subscribe to our channel. It very much helps us along. Go follow us on social media so that you can share what fabrics you choose to use. I'll see you for our Holly Jolly Quilt Along block number 1 on February 22nd. Otherwise, I'll see you next week. Thanks. Bye-bye.